Welcome to part 3 of the Cove Crop Top tutorial. Now that we've finished stitching the bottom piece of the top, it's time to do a border and make the straps. We're going to be making a single crochet around the entire top, and then once we get to the top of each cup, we're going to chain and slip stitch down the chain and then continue on single crocheting, make another chain for the other strap, and then keep crocheting around. So I'll show you how to do that and let's get started. Alright, so pop your hook back into your work. And we're going to start by single crocheting across this little end piece here. And so it's going to be similar to before, like we were doing the border on the cups the first go around. It's kind of hard to see the holes where you're going to place your hook because these aren't actual stitches that you're supposed to be crocheting into. So start off by chaining one and then going into the next available hole that you can see. And again, it's not super important how many stitches this gets you or where exactly you're putting your hook. Just try to keep it as even as possible and just place a single crochet in every hole that you see. So just make your way down the little end piece here. And once you get to the corner, you're going to place 2 single crochets in it instead of just one. And that's going to give it a nice little turning edge. So as you can see, it rounded out that corner by placing an extra stitch on the corner. And now we're going to single crochet across the top, and this should be a little bit easier to see where you're going to be putting your stitch. So just in each available hole, place a single crochet. And now we're at the part where it connects to the cup, so just place a single crochet in that stitch on the corner. And now we can single crochet up the length of the cup. And this is going to be easier again because these stitches are much easier to see. So we're just placing a single crochet up the length of the cup. Now once you get to the middle stitch of the cup, the very top of the triangle, so it's going to be right in this next one here, place your single crochet, and then we're going to make a really long chain to make the strap. So we're going to be making a chain of 150. So again, a chain is yarning over and pulling through the loop on your hook. And just make sure you go slow here, keep count, and we're doing 150 chains. Once you have 150 chains, you're going to make a slip stitch in each of these chains back down. Starting in the second chain from your hook, insert, yarn over, and pull immediately through. That's a slip stitch. So in the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. And just keep making these stitches all the way back down the chain until you get to the bottom. And now that we're done slip stitching, we're just going to single crochet in the very next stitch on the triangle. And that's going to secure the strap down to the top. And now we've got our super long strap all finished. So now we can continue single crocheting down the rest of the cup. And we're coming down to the bottom here. So making a crochet. And then we're going to do the exact same thing to the other cup that we just did. So single crochet your way up the second cup, make a chain of 150 once you get to the top, slip stitch back. And then we're going to single crochet down the other side of the cup, single crochet across the other side piece of the top. And then if you want to, you don't have to, but I like to make a single crochet. And don't forget, once you get to the corner of the side piece, you make 2 single crochets in each corner, and that makes a nice rounded edge. So I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll meet you back once I'm done. Now that we're done the border, you can cut your yarn and fasten off, and then you can weave in that end. And I'm going to show you how to thread the straps through the back of the top. So turn your piece over and get your straps all straightened. You can fold in the sides like this. And then take one strap and make sure it's not twisted. So just kind of run your fingers along it and make sure it's not all twisted. And then you're going to insert it on the opposite side in the very corner. It's going to be a little tough to do this because the strap is a lot wider than your hook, but just be gentle and it'll come through eventually. And now do the exact same thing with the other strap. And now we're going to make an X shape in the back, so take one of the straps and put it on the opposite side in the middle. And then it's going to come back and come out the corner piece on the other side. So just approximate where the middle is on the other side, make sure your strap isn't twisted, and pull it through with your hook. And now we're going to do the exact same thing with the other side. And then have each strap go out the opposite end corner piece. And there you have it, your crop top is all finished and ready to wear. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at yarnybox. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!